Hello, I'm Dr. Tasneem and I work in the Eye Foundation Hospital. I will be talking about what to expect when you are undergoing SMILE or Lasik surgery. So these are laser surgeries that are done to correct vision problems, and this is done by reshaping your cornea, which is the front part of your eye. You will be undergoing scans to make sure that all your eye parameters are normal and you're fit for the procedure. On the day of surgery, your eyes will be cleaned with antiseptic solution before taking you inside the operation room. The procedure will take approximately 10 to 15 minutes and will be pain-free. Once inside the operation room, you will be asked to lie down under a laser machine. Your eyes will be covered with a drape and a clip will be placed inside the eye to keep your eyes open through the procedure. Once the procedure starts, you will be asked to keep your head steady and keep looking straight forward. Once the laser procedure has begun, you will be able to see a white ring of light at the center of which will be a green blinking dot. Once the laser starts, this green blinking dot will gradually disappear and everything will get blurred for some time. But do not move your eyes and keep looking in the same direction as you were looking before until the laser pass gets over. If you are undergoing LASIK, you will be shifted to another bed where a similar procedure will be done to do power correction. After the procedure, you will experience mild redness, irritation, watering, and blurring of vision, which will get better in a day or two. Your next follow-up will be scheduled the day after. For any other queries, please contact the number shown on the screen. Thank you for listening.